On April 13, 2029, a colossal asteroid named 9942 Apophis will make a heart-stopping close approach to Earth. Measuring nearly 350 meters in diameter, this massive space rock, larger than 3 football fields, will pass just 31,000 kilometers from our planet. That's closer than some of our satellites. Named after the Egyptian god of chaos, Apophis captured the world's attention when it was discovered in 2004. Early calculations sparked fears of a potential collision, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. But after years of meticulous observations, astronomers have confirmed Apophis will not impact Earth during its 2029 flyby. Even though it poses no immediate threat, Apophis's close encounter offers an unprecedented opportunity for scientists. At just 1/10 the distance to the Moon, this is the closest approach of an asteroid this size in recorded history. Ground-based observatories and even amateur astronomers will be able to witness its passage with the naked eye. Imagine a cosmic visitor speeding past Earth, reminding us of the dynamic and unpredictable nature of our universe. So, is Earth safe in 2029? Yes, but Apophis is a wake-up call. It's a vivid reminder of why we must stay vigilant, monitor the skies, and prepare for what lies beyond. The question is, what's next? The universe has its secrets, and we're only just beginning to uncover them. Subscribe for more gripping space stories.